Good morning, everyone. It's Catherine from my hillside garden. Today is July 11th, and it's been a while since we checked on where I buried the Bokashi. I'm very sorry I didn't get back in the next week's time. It has just been so busy, and then it got so hot. I did bare minimum in the yard for about 7 to 10 days, and the weeds really show that. So I'm going to go up today. We're going to dig that over. We're going to take a look to see how well that has composted down and if we can recognize anything other than the seeds from the squash. And I am going to be planting some Copenhagen cabbage and winter dream cauliflower up in that area. I figured since they're big feeders that would be a good spot to put them. I will be putting some lime in there and bone meal, kelp, and I have to decide. I don't know, I might put a little bit of vegetable food in there as well. I might not, just to see how it does with just the Bokashi, because that was the reason why I planted that, buried that up there, was that I wanted to see how well the plants would do. So come on and join me as we plant those things. And I am going to apologize at the start for not having my external mic on, so if the sound is not that good, I apologize. So here we are at the top of the garden. Get into this bed and we'll take a look at how the soil looks. Put that over there for now. Get our shovel. Okay. Did just water this down, so I have some roots in here. I wonder what those are from. It's very dry, and I hope you're able to see this. I'll bring the camera in a bit closer. Hey, I'm not sure what these roots are from. I would imagine it's probably from the trees. It's one of the problems that I've been having, because the trees are just searching for water. But look, there's nothing in here that you can tell. Let's break that apart. So, I'd say Bokashi does a much quicker and better job of decomposing your kitchen waste. This is very dry, even with all these roots in here. Bokashi does great for getting rid of your kitchen waste and making good soil quicker. So I'm glad I have another batch going in the kitchen. I've still been collecting things in the freezer and then putting it in there. And I've actually used some of the runoff, the what drains off in the bottom of the container, to fertilize some of the plants through the garden, mostly the containers, because I figured that way I can keep a better eye on how it's working. And I'd say Bokashi, for me, in my case, is a successful thing that I will continue to do. And I hope you enjoyed this little series. As I said, I'm sorry I didn't get back quicker to this, but I'm very pleased. So if you can, look into it, watch my other videos if you haven't seen them yet, and give Bokashi a try. I'd say it's worth it. So if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Really helps my ratings. And leave a comment. I always love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel. And if you click that little bell, anytime I put up a video, you'll get a notification of that. So have a great day. Happy gardening.